Are you working harder than ever, but your bank account is still whispering, broke? You're not alone. In 2025, even with the hustle, some sneaky money habits are keeping good people stuck. If you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck and ready to finally build real wealth, stick with me. I'm going to reveal the top money traps you need to avoid, and more importantly, how to break free. Watch till the end, because the last habit I reveal is the most overlooked, and it could be costing you thousands. Hey everyone, and welcome back. I'm Mike, your financial ally, here to help you navigate the ever-evolving world of personal finance. We're heading into 2025, and the landscape is shifting. New technologies, economic fluctuations, and social trends are creating unique challenges for our wallets. Today, we're diving deep into the money habits that are silently sabotaging your financial success. Let's get started. 1. The subscription trap. Problem. First up, the subscription trap. It's so easy, right? A few dollars here, a few dollars there. Streaming services, fitness apps, meal kits, they seem harmless individually. But when you add them all up, you might be bleeding hundreds of dollars a month without even realizing it. The problem is, we often forget about these subscriptions. They become like invisible leeches, draining our resources. And in 2025, with more personalized, AI-driven subscriptions, this trap is only going to get stickier. Here's the fix. Conduct a subscription audit. Go through your bank statements and credit card bills. List every recurring charge. Then, ask yourself, do I really need this? Be ruthless. Cut out anything you don't use regularly. Use apps designed to track and manage subscriptions. Set calendar reminders to review your subscriptions quarterly. You'll be amazed at how much you can save. Reallocate those funds towards your financial goals. It's about intentional spending, not impulsive subscription. 2. The social media spending spiral. Problem. Next, the social media spending spiral. We live in a world of curated perfection. Influencer marketing, targeted ads, FOMO, fear of missing out. It's a potent cocktail that fuels impulsive spending. You see someone living a luxurious lifestyle, and suddenly, you feel like you need that new gadget, that designer outfit, that exotic vacation. The problem is, social media often presents a distorted reality. It's a highlight reel, not the full picture. You end up chasing a fantasy, spending money you don't have, and accumulating debt. This is causing serious anxiety for many. Does this sound familiar? Here's how to break the cycle. Unfollow accounts that trigger your spending impulses. Limit your social media time. Focus on content that inspires you to save and invest, not just spend. Practice gratitude for what you already have. Before making a purchase inspired by social media, wait 24-48 hours. Often, the urge will pass. Use budgeting apps to track your spending and set realistic limits. Remember, true wealth is built on financial stability, not fleeting trends. 3. The ignoring inflation problem. Third, ignoring inflation. In 2025, inflation is a reality we can't ignore. Prices are rising, and if your income and investments aren't keeping pace, your purchasing power is shrinking. Many people are still living with budgets designed for previous years, not accounting for the increased cost of living. This is a subtle but powerful way to stay poor. You're working just as hard, but your money isn't stretching as far. This is frustrating. Here's the solution. Regularly review and adjust your budget to reflect current inflation rates. Negotiate a raise or explore additional income streams. Invest in assets that historically outpace inflation, such as stocks, real estate, or inflation-protected securities. Stay informed about economic trends and adjust your financial strategy accordingly. Don't let inflation erode your hard-earned wealth. This is about being proactive and adaptable. 4. The relying solely on a single income stream problem. Fourth, relying solely on a single income stream. In today's volatile economy, putting all your eggs in one basket is risky. Job security is no longer guaranteed, and relying on a single source of income leaves you vulnerable to unexpected setbacks. Many people are one job loss away from financial disaster. This is a source of constant stress. Here's how to diversify. Explore side hustles, freelance opportunities, or passive income streams. Leverage your skills and passions to create multiple revenue sources. Consider investing in dividend-paying stocks or rental properties. Build an emergency fund to cushion the blow of unexpected income loss. Diversification provides financial security and peace of mind. This is about building resilience. 5. The avoiding financial education problem, most overlooked. Finally, and this is the most overlooked habit, avoiding financial education. Many people are intimidated by finance, so they simply ignore it. They rely on outdated information or make decisions based on emotions rather than facts. This leaves them vulnerable to scams, poor investments, and missed opportunities. The financial world is constantly evolving, and if you're not keeping up, you're falling behind. This lack of knowledge is the root of many financial struggles. Here's the path to empowerment. Commit to continuous learning. Read books, listen to podcasts, watch educational videos, like this one, and consider working with a financial advisor. Start small, but be consistent. The more you learn, the more confident you'll become in managing your money. Financial education is an investment in your future. This is about taking control. So, there you have it. The top money habits keeping you poor in 2025. By recognizing these traps and implementing the solutions we discussed, you can transform your financial future. Remember, building wealth is a journey, not a destination. It requires discipline, patience, and a willingness to learn. You are capable of achieving financial freedom. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more valuable financial insights. And don't forget to share this video with anyone who could benefit from it. Let's build a community of financially empowered individuals. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.